Princess Experience is an annual event that we hold in January prior to the Miami International Boat Show, the Miami Yacht Show that we participate in. And this is an opportunity for us to bring over the latest product for Princess Yachts, to display them to our owners, customers, and their guests.
It's just been a wonderful evening. You know, the food, the atmosphere is great, christening's just great. It's something that we've tried to do with all the different yachts that I've owned, and this has just been the best experience yet.
Well, we own a Princess. We know all the people here at Princess. We all the boat owners, and we've become a family. We're friends. We vacation together. We spend months together in the Bahamas. We love the Princess. It's our second one. Wouldn't buy any other boat. If you're looking for a boat, your search is over. Come to Princess.
We had worked hard throughout our life, and when we retired, we wanted a venue for family and friends to come and have life experiences with us in a fun way. And so buying our Princess boat was all about having a venue for family and friends to enjoy exotic places and do things that we'd never had the time or frankly the money to do before. And it's been fabulous. And that's why we bought a new Princess boat yesterday.
The Princess kind of blends really contemporary styling, a lot of the current fabrics and soft goods with the nautical. And I think just the openness of it, the visibility, the windows, phenomenal.
We traveled and went to the factory at Sunseeker, as well as Princess. And we are convinced the way the product is made and the customer service of the Princess International and the Princess America folks, they're a great team, we're sold. We are part of the Princess family.